In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with RingCentral. Before we begin, a quick note on prerequisites. You need to be a Zoho CRM administrator to enable this integration for your organization, and you'll need active accounts for both RingCentral and Zoho CRM. If you are not an admin, ask one to follow these steps for you. Start by signing in to your Zoho CRM account. Once you are in, head to the Setup area by clicking the gear icon in the top right. In Setup, go to Channels, then select Telephony. This telephony section is where Zoho keeps all its phone system connections. And it's the hub for managing providers. On the telephony page, look for RingCentral in the list of available providers. Select it, then click Install followed by Connect or Enable. Depending on what you see, Install adds the connector to your CRM. And Connect or Enable turns it on for your organization. You may be asked to allow permissions. These are required so Zoho can display the dialer, log calls, and show the right information to your users. Next, authorize your RingCentral account. In most cases, a RingCentral login window will appear automatically, so you can sign in and grant access. If the window doesn't show up, no problem, click the phone icon at the bottom right of your CRM screen to bring up the dialer and trigger the login prompt. When the RingCentral sign-in page appears, enter your RingCentral credentials and click Login to authorize the connection. Make sure you are using the correct account that your team relies on for calling. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily, so the authorization window can appear. After you sign in successfully, the integration is active. You'll see the RingCentral dialer inside Zoho CRM. Calls can be made and received from within the interface. Call activities will be logged automatically, and screen pop-ups will display contact details during live calls. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.